Hi, want to know how to change ear tips on your Nothing Buds Pro 2nd? So, as a first step, the thing is that the ear tips that comes on your earbud by default is size M, which is medium, and there's people that got ears bigger or smaller, so you are getting 2 extra ear tips with your device, which are size small and also large. So today I'll take these ear tips which are size small because my ears are kind of small, and as a first step we would need to take off the old ear tips, and we would need to just simply pull them off like this. There is nothing hard in it, so let's do it on the second earbud also. And now the most important part, which is put on the new ear tips. So the easiest way that I have figured out is to take the new ear tip and then just take it off on a half. So now this is it, how it's supposed to look, like a little microphone. And now to put it on, we would need to take it like this with our fingers and push on it like this. So as a next step, we will need to take any of the earbuds and then just push it inside of the ear tip. It may be a little hard, but if you will try, you can for sure do it. And now when the ear tip is on, we can put this part back on its place, and we got the first ear tip on. Now let's do the same thing with the second one. So I'll take off the half of the ear tip. Now we got this little microphone, and then just push in the earbud inside of the ear tip. And this is it, we have successfully do it. And now we would need to just put back this part, and this is it. We have changed the ear tips easily and fast. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.